My name's Leighton Jones from Ray White. I'm really proud to present to you 25 Kitching Street here in Chapel Hill. Now earlier I caught up with Bob to go through the extensive renovation of this property.
The house itself, it has every element we believe that is required to move into a house and not have to do anything for the next 10 or 15 years. This house has been rewired and replumbed. We've added about 50 square metres of deck, and it's a great entertainment area, but it also provides an entertainment area down below, which is a barbecue area, and that's just been fitted out beautifully. Ducted air conditioning both on the top level and on the bottom level. Kitchen has Bosch equipment throughout it. It's got 3 ovens, gas top and an induction top, so it's a gourmet kitchen. Did want to take advantage of the opportunities, particularly on the top level, where we took out 1 bedroom but we turned it into a walk-in robe and an ensuite. We've added a bedroom downstairs, so we've maintained the 4 bedrooms and given it a lot more scope, but we've also left enough opportunity for other people to make decisions on what they want to do to live in it. Leah has put in the work that she would put into our own home as if we were going to live here long term, and that we intended to do originally, was have this, but it's a family home, so it really needs a family to take it over and move into it for the next 20 years. It's all done, it's all ready.
To find out more about this property, give me a call or come see us at the next open home.